I'm so excited about my workshops with Indigo Blue. Really looking forward to joining you. Now, we've got 2 days. Day 1 is all about gel plates. I love gel plates. There's so many things you can do with them. And of course, when we've got a full day, the amount of techniques we're going to be able to cover is fantastic. Here's a sneak peek at some of the ideas that I'm going to be sharing. Now, day 2 of our workshop, we are going to be doing the cube. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? This is going to be an MDF project. So, of course, we're going to use some of our prints from the day before, but we're going to be learning different techniques to decorate. And also, there'll be something interesting about our cube. So it's multifunctional. So I really hope you can join me on both days with Indigo Blue. Can't wait to see you there.